In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your social media icons on your Shopify store. Now, all you need to do is sign into your account. Then once you're here, you want to go to the home page, and then you will be able to find online store in the sidebar. So click on online store. It will then launch your online store, and they will show you your current theme. You want to click on customize right there. And that's going to send you over to the edit page. Now what you can do, you can find theme settings at the top left corner, my bad. Click on that, then you'll find social media right there. Click on it, scroll down. First of all, you can add an image for all of your social media, but you can scroll down and you'll find the social accounts. So what you can do, you can go to Twitter. You can link your Twitter account if you have any. So I have indeed got a Twitter account. Let's see if I can go to my profile. There you go. So you then copy your Twitter name. If you want to link your Twitter, you then paste that in there. There you go. And you can then add this. Now let's say that I also want to add my Instagram name. You then type in that link and you remove Shopify, and you then add your own username, just like that. And this is where you can pretty much add your YouTube account, Snapchat, Tumblr, Vimeo, Snapchat, I already mentioned that, Pinterest and Facebook as well. Now that's pretty much how you can add your social media. And as you can see right there, Twitter is now there and Instagram is there as well. Hit save, and you've now added your social media and social media icons on your Shopify store. Now, if this video helped you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video and let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.